I'm John, tech support team member with Headsight. Today I'll be teaching you about our XCV Shellbourne Stability Kit.
The stability kit for the Shellbourne XCV is a kit that allows the Shellbourne XCV float suspension springs to be pre-tensioned against a rod to increase the combine's control over the header's lateral tilt. This kit can only be installed on XCV headers that have two parallel springs on the left side of the feeder house. Heads with only one spring in this location must be converted to the double spring design on both sides of the feeder house. The estimated installation time on this kit is right around 2 hours. A completed kit can be viewed on the right side picture, ready for tension. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Headsight support team.